You know, it's Black Friday because my wife didn't even stop and say hi. Her truck's here, but she must have gone straight in. All right, think about it. This is what old school New England's all about. Like just the smell, the chill in the air, the town is waking up, and it's incredible to be building a world-class brand from this little town, because when you leave this town here, Farmington, this is the last place with all the amenities you need to survive. When you go north, it's the Great North Woods, the Great Boreal Wilderness. This is the last bit of civilization.
You want a double or single?
Just a single to start. You know, I'm gonna start easy today. You the man, Cam. You the man.
We got a lot more snow than I was expecting.
This is heavy too, dude. Like this is all soaked. This snowblower doesn't even want to get it.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to do it. It's not ready.
Good luck.
My mouse already died this morning, so now I gotta use the keyboard mouse.
Oh dang, you've been clicking it too much?
Too much, way too much. It's all right, keep it coming. It's exciting, it is so exciting. How quick can we get back to these customers? How fast can we resolve issues? The new systems in place have just been phenomenal.
Yeah, that's unfulfilled.
Leo was hired for this day. He was recruited for Black Friday.
I've had way too much coffee. Am I too loud?
He is so ready for this day.
At 4 o'clock this morning, I was shoveling my deck. What do you call it? What do you call it here? The patio.
Oh my god, he's so caffeinated this morning.
Yeah, these are good. Yeah.
So when we first started, well, I mean, think about it. Like in 2016, we finished our year. We had done Origin, had done maybe 1.2, 1.3 million dollars on the year, bro. On the year, right? Now we just did that last night, just when we launched our Black Friday deal. We did that, right? So I mean, the company's grown tremendously. Yeah, boy. This is Dave Portnoy wouldn't really know what to do with himself if he tried breakfast pizza. I mean, undercarriage. I mean, give me a break, bro. New York pizza, what? I'm talking about Woods of Maine breakfast pizza, bro.
I'm gonna go with the odd man out.
Oh yeah.
9.1. I'd say 8.5.
Whoa! I've been here since like 5:30 with Pete, so this thing tastes like heaven right now. So I'm thinking like, out of all the breakfast pizzas I've had, I'd say it probably 9.1.
It's like a Farmington 10.
Where it was higher, but
21 would be the average.
Added decelerating
Yes.
multiple.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
That's the art, picking that right one.
That is 100% true.
So,
the discount rate.
I have my one advantage is my natural senses of picking that multiple.
The cow killers, they got named, that's at the end of the table, the cow killers. We named them last year. Yeah, that's Jeremiah and Will, so that's the business intelligence.
And last year we were sitting in that exact same room, and we basically were just going through the numbers the whole time. So me and a couple other people here, we work on the data system. So what we try to do with it is figure out what people are going to buy, right? And that way we can help the consumer get what they need faster. We can deliver it faster. We can have better quality. You can do a lot with numbers.
What was your first impression of Will? Like, tell me about the first time you met Will. And
So he was my first person I got to interview and hire. So Will has a lot of skills I don't, and when you're looking to hire an employee, you shouldn't hire someone who has the exact same skills as you. You need to have someone who has skills that you don't have and they're far better at.
I learned very quickly that man meant business. When I say he likes financial numbers, he likes financial numbers, and he likes them to be good. He's a good dude, but what you wouldn't guess about Jeremiah is that he is the craziest man ever. The dude is out there ice climbing. He's doing all sorts of stuff that when you get outside of this finance stuff, you would have never guessed. So he's the man.
It's really hard making apparel in America because we have a labor disadvantage compared to East Asia. So we have to pay people a living wage, and that's really important to us. And then we also got to maintain the equipment and machinery that's actually kind of old. So we have to modernize our equipment so we can bring to you American-made apparel at a cheap price. And that's our goal.
Yesterday, we had 1,625 first-time customers.
What we want to see is this sustain.
That's what you needed.
So how many goes? I think the final count was way too many. I think we finished both. We finished at least one 12-pack and we're halfway through the second. So,
How many is that for you?
not enough.
You know, we had a successful period, and of course today's Cyber Monday, so that we're not through it all, right? But generally, our team have executed above and beyond what I was expecting.
You gotta crush twice the normal amount on Black Friday. You know, I think it was around 8. I may have had one at home too when I got back.
Just to unwind.
Just unwind.
You know, on Black Friday, we moved 90,000 units.
John I would drive home.
Over 90,000 units, which is crazy. Diving heavily back into jiu-jitsu, going back to who we are, born on the ground. We stripped most of the product out of 2025. We're gonna lean in just the basics, just back to basics. Blue jeans and boots and jiu-jitsu and the core essentials, the uniform of freedom. It's gonna be an exciting year next year.